Ever sent money to a friend on Venmo and had that nagging feeling in the back of your mind? Like, did I really just send them that much, or what if they don't pay me back? Venmo, the social payment app, is awesome for splitting bills with friends, tipping your favorite coffee shop, and even sending birthday gifts. But like any online platform, there are risks involved. In this video, we're diving deep into how to stay safe and secure while using Venmo. Section 1. Account Security. Let's start with the basics. Account security. Strong password. This is a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people use easy-to-guess passwords. Choose a strong, unique password for your Venmo account. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a must. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or another device to log in, even if someone has your password. Review authorized devices. Regularly check the Authorized Devices section in your Venmo settings. If you see any unfamiliar devices, remove them immediately. Enable purchase notifications. Turn on email or push notifications for every transaction. This allows you to quickly spot any unauthorized activity. Section 2. Understanding Venmo's features. Now let's talk about some of Venmo's features that can help keep you safe. Friend requests. Only accept friend requests from people you know and trust. Be wary of accepting requests from strangers or accounts with suspicious names or photos. Privacy settings. Venmo offers various privacy settings. You can control who sees your transactions, adjust your visibility, and even choose to keep your balance private. Take some time to explore these options and customize them to your comfort level. Business accounts. If you're using Venmo for business purposes, consider creating a separate business account. This helps keep your personal and professional finances separate and can provide additional security features. Section 3. Avoiding common scams. Phishing scams. Be wary of emails, texts, or social media messages that ask for your Venmo login information or other personal details. Venmo will never ask for this information. Fake accounts. Be cautious of accounts that impersonate businesses or celebrities. Always double-check the account name and profile picture before sending any money. I'll pay you back later scams. Avoid lending money to people you don't know well or haven't established a clear repayment plan with. I'll send you more than you owe scams. If someone offers to send you more money than you're expecting, be suspicious. They may be trying to trick you into sending them the extra amount. Section 4. Tips for safe transactions. Confirm details before sending. Always double-check the recipient's name and the amount before confirming any payment. Use the Notes section. Utilize the Notes section to describe the transaction. For example, rent for, month, dinner with, friend's name, or payment for, service. Document everything. Keep records of all your Venmo transactions, including screenshots of payment confirmations and any communication with the other party. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect any fraudulent activity, report it to Venmo immediately. You can also report suspicious accounts or transactions to the appropriate authorities. Section 5. Dispute resolution. If you encounter a problem with a transaction, Venmo offers a dispute resolution process. Understand the dispute process. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's dispute policy. Gather evidence. Collect any evidence that supports your claim, such as screenshots, receipts, and communication logs. Submit a dispute. If you need to file a dispute, follow Venmo's instructions carefully. Section 6. Staying informed. Check Venmo's Safety Center. Regularly visit Venmo's Safety Center for the latest information on security best practices and common scams. Stay updated. Keep your Venmo app updated to the latest version to ensure you have the most up-to-date security features. Venmo can be a convenient and enjoyable way to send and receive money, but it's important to be aware of the potential risks. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you can minimize your risk and enjoy a safe and secure Venmo experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.